Being an artist is a lifestyle.
I consider myself really fortunate to be able to say that I can make a living as an artist, and to be able to be expressive and creative and do that within a context of an environment where I actually get paid to do that. I actually get paid to make choices of what I think looks good or doesn't look good.
I think for me it's a form of meditation. It gives me an escape into any world I want to create and be a part of.
Being an artist means to always be creating and also learning. I think that's the best way to create new stuff, is to learn about other things that you haven't really touched upon.
For one, I love to teach. I learn a lot from mentors in the past.
Being a student is, I think, one of the best feelings in the world, because it always shows you there's so much to learn and there's so much to explore. And as a student, you always have the freedom to do that.
I'm an eternal student. I'm always learning, because I feel like the more that I learn, it just helps me develop better stories, better technique.
Being a student to me means learning, always learning and growing. So just constantly growing your skill sets, growing as a human being and as an artist.
I've learned from my students and learned from being able to convey the information that I've acquired over the years to someone else. It's been really rewarding.
There's no other business that you can find as diverse as animation or film industry in general. Even when I was still in Manila, I would work with Canadians, I would work with someone from Ireland, from Germany. And now I'm teaching at CGMA. All my students, if I count them, they all come from different parts of the world. So it's amazing.
Being around different people from different backgrounds and different cultures and different ideologies helps in the creative process.
Diversity is, I think, what makes art what it is, right? Like your cultural influences, where you come from, all that influences the stories you tell, the kind of stories you tell. And I think it also plays a very important role in how you solve your design problems, right? Like in your everyday art that you do.
We all have different points of view, like different parts of the world, we have different cultures. Online education in general, you can have a lot of people telling their stories in the same place.
If you think you need a little brush up or you want to learn just something very specific, you have the option to do so. Because it was online, I didn't have to travel, I didn't have to go to a specific place, so it was just very comfortable, very easy, and I still got quality education.
There's a relaxed atmosphere when you're in the school. I like it a lot. I mean, I like the diversity in what they learn. Actually, in fact, my student might be enrolling also at CGMA anytime soon. So,
being where I'm from, I didn't have access to other schools that cost a lot of money tuition-wise. This is an affordable way for me to learn and grow as an artist.
I think it's amazing the amount of care that CGMA puts into choosing their curriculum and their teachers and really giving students a quality experience. So I think that's great.